Hello, my name is Ethan, and I'm going to show you how to multiply decimal numbers. So we have a question right here, 2.3 times 5.8. So we got the whole is a 2, and the piece of a number is the decimal, behind the decimal, which is the 3. So it's just like multiplying a whole number, except you add a decimal. So we got our question right here. We do all the math, and we end up with, on the 8, 184. So, and then you do the math with the 5, but then you add a 0 here because it's in the tens. You do the math, and we end up with 1,150. So where you find out, you would end up with 1334, 1,334, but you need to know where the decimal goes. So you have to find out. You just count what's up there, and then you'll be good. Thanks for listening. Bye.